done. Let's get it. You okay? We're finally back here at Mantorp Park at Linus event, Grillkväll, which translates to barbecue night. And we got a lineup of some serious cars over here. We got everything from exotics to tuned BMW turbos and crazy Volvo with drag racing slicks coming in here. We also brought the S14 because we're thinking about doing a little burnout if the skid pad that they have is big enough, because my front brakes aren't really locking up as they should. But you guys need to see this event because it's off the hook. Everybody's rolling out their cars already, so we need to get this thing off. And we got Minto, best. Introduce yourself. Me. And we're gonna take the car off. Can you get the winch? I can't even talk today. We're gonna take it off the trailer and we're gonna get in line somewhere. I just don't hope that we need to do all that, you know, clutch gas stuff, because this car sucks. Let's get it done. Let's get it. You okay? Okay, he's okay. He's okay. He says it's just a box. Oh, there we go. Start this thing and see if we can. Hell yeah, butter! I don't really like the. It's really difficult on the clutch because there's like no play, so it's like on or off, and then the sequential gearbox, and it's pretty choppy too. So we're supposed to drive out onto the track, and then I suppose that they're doing the whole meet or event on the other side of. I don't want to hit this lady. Please, lady, please move. I don't want to hit you. Here we go, look. Oh, there. Nice. Tjena! Läget? Mr. himself. Ja, de vet eller? Snyggt. I wish I could do this smoothly for you guys, but there's no freaking way. I don't know why we drifters do this. Like, we're not really braking. We're just like, I think it's like some sort of seizure. Woof, it's getting hot in here. I got my nice air vents on this. Look here, you can even adjust it too. What a luxurious feature. I don't know where, screw it. It doesn't really help much because we're standing still, but I don't know where we're going. I have no idea. Is that? No. Isn't that the famous Norrlands Skåne, the Stockholm Open winner? And the guy who went to the States and like flipped his car? I think so. If it is, I can tell you, that thing on the streets as fast as hell. It's ridiculous. A little bit too fast, actually. Good enough for now. I am never going up, I'm telling you. I'm never going. If this is childish, I want to be a child until I die. And obviously you're not going to attend to this event and not drink buff. And there's a new code, promotion code, Tidstrom 30, but it's time limited, so make sure you get yours. Get 30% off, but it's time limited, so See his finger? See how serious that is? I mean, I would. You're missing out. I'm a little bit skeptical because this is the burnout box. And since my front brakes aren't really doing what they're supposed to do, I mean, I want to be in third gear, but I don't think we're going to have enough room. And I really don't want to smack into one of these bad boys. But they're practicing for that stunt event that they're going to throw. Seem to be really good at this. Hella nice. I mean, I would if I had a bike, but I'd probably do that. I mean, I'm not saying I would be as good. I would try it. We're taking the hood off as we consider it to look nicer. I'm really hoping, well, you can't let go. Uh-oh. I don't know where we're gonna put it though. That's the issue. We're probably gonna put this on the bed of the truck for now because the trailer's on the other side of the whole shenanigan. We're not gonna go there. It's pretty light. Ska vi köra?
Alltså det finns snabba bilar och sen finns det multiplan.
Nu vill jag se 9 sekunder.
Jag tänkte köra ifrån den här Volvon först.
Jaha.
Jag kör från en BMW först.
Men det är inte så schysst. Jag tänker så att han åker hem och blir ledsen.
Volvo.
Ja, eller hur? Det är ingen utmaning. Jag tänker ta en riktig bil. Så här. Oj! Tjena! Läget? Kul att du är här.
Ja, detsamma.
Fan, så jävla fett. So we're gonna put some old tires on and try it out just a little bit in the pit. We're gonna Nimto swapping the tires out. We're gonna swap this one out too. And we're gonna give it a little try, just carefully, because then again, my brakes are not really working and this is a pretty small pit. So I kinda wanna go in third, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. It was a hell of a ride. Yeah, the front brakes were actually doing better than I thought, but I couldn't see a goddamn thing in there. That was nice. And it died on me too. I don't know why. Maybe it was me on the gas or in the brake, but at least it seems to be working. I don't know what's going on. I think it might be like a relay or something because it just dies on me. I don't know why. Like, all of a sudden, it's like, poof! It's like you hit the off switch. I don't know if it's the freaking weird as hell. What an ending. It's working again. Psych! So, finishing up this day, apparently the Swedish jealousy hits again. So somebody apparently threw a beer cans right on the ground on the trailer while it was parked over here where nobody could see. I'm kind of surprised because I've never had that happen before. And so what a great day to round up the day. That happened and then the car died on me. Well, it might be out of gas, I'm not sure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget the discount code. It's limited, time limited. So 30% off, it's in the description.